Hi, good morning and good afternoon, friends in East Asia and Australia. Good morning, friends in Europe, Africa, and Western Asia. Good early morning, friends in North and South America. Thank you for joining our show again. This is Radio Lab here in Shanghai for the last day of the SNEC. We wish you all happy Monday. As I mentioned earlier yesterday, we will launch the 2 online live shows via YouTube, Facebook, and Bilibili during the SNEC because we want our customers to be better updated about our latest products and the production capability. And yesterday after the show, we did receive some good feedback from the clients asking for design and quotation. We really appreciate that. And today, our topic is about the rooftop mounting system. To get any information about our products and the brochure, you can still contact us via WeChat, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. At the same time, my colleagues Alisa and Avalo will be online. In case you have any query, you can still put your comments on those platforms and they will reply immediately. And right now, please allow me to introduce the speaker of today, Michelle Cao. Actually, I guess some of you are already familiar with her after yesterday's long sharing. She's our director for international market, and she's been working for more than 10 years in the solar industry, not just for the mounting structure, but also for the solar module. Before the outbreak of COVID-19, Michelle flew to more than 20 countries each year, attending more than 50 exhibitions and visiting hundreds of project sites with rich experience in the solar industry. Let's enjoy what she has to share with us. And now please join me in warmly welcome Michelle.
Thank you, Roger. Hello, everyone. How are you? Are you missing us? We miss you so much. We enjoy the moment and time meeting with each other face to face before this year. So 2020 is really a very special year. We seldom have chances to meet with each other face to face during this pandemic period of time, and because of the limited flights and border restrictions. But no worries, we still have this new method to see each other on the screen. You can see me from time to time on the screen. Our topic today is still under SNEC. I'm currently at the front of our SNEC booth, located in W1 hall, very close to the gate. Do you still remember the location of the halls of the SNEC? And our topic today is simpler, more installation. Our roof mounting system, solar roof mounting system. Although we are experiencing hard times this year, still we need to survive better, doing better business. We hope all of our partners, all of our potential partners, you can get more and more installations, more and more business in solar industry. And before the introduce of our roof solar mounting system, I would like to show some short video of our stand during SNEC. Let's enjoy. So as we know, it is still under the COVID-19 situation, so the guide is holding the page, always saying, please wear the mask, please be safe. And we receive a lot of domestic partners, domestic visitors during this SNEC. So to have more details of our roof mounting systems, I would like to bring you to our virtual stand to introduce more details. Now I am at the front of our virtual stand. Okay, so let's go inside. Now I am in the side of our virtual booth, almost exactly the same as our real stand. I just bring you around. Sorry, it's stopped due to the software reading speed, but no worries. Let me try to back. Okay, we go inside again. Trying to go ahead. Okay, it seems the speed much better. So this year we have displayed our TPO, new soft rooftop solution, and our adjustable tripod. Alright, it seems the virtual booth is not very smooth. Now it's working. So as we can see, we have trapezoid metal roof support. We have a tile hook system. We have trying to zoom it. We have a symmetrical roof mounting matrix 1. I show a little bit details about the trapezoid roof solar mounting system. So it's going. It's operating. Okay, great. We get this model. Okay, trying to make the direction better so that we can see more details. Alright, this is the system combined with a trapezoidal roof clamps with the L-fit and MA rail. And since the software is not very smoothly operating, so it's okay. Let's go to, I have prepared some presentation to show more market details, more product details. Let's go to our presentation. All right, let's go to our presentation. So our company's full name is Xiamen Mibet New Energy. We are headquartered in Xiamen, Southeast China, except the main office and headquarters in China. We also have subsidiaries in Australia and Japan. Wait me a moment. I'm trying to get the virtual software for our IT people to fix it up so that I can show it again later. Wait me a moment. Okay, I'm back. Michelle here. So our company's full name is Xiamen Mibet New Energy, and we headquartered in Xiamen, Southeast China. Except our headquarters, we also have subsidiaries founded in Australia and Japan. Our company focuses for the design and manufacture for solar mounting system for 8 years now. Today I would like to introduce two parts of our roof solar mounting system. First part is for the solar roof kit, then second part is for the roof mounting solutions. And for part 3 and part 4, I would like to introduce the background, our histories, our capacities, and then our project reference. Let's go. So first part is our solar roof kit for distribution market. So what is the most headache part when we're trying to involve in the business for roof solar mounting system distribution. Too many items. We have middle clamps, we have end clamps, we have rail joiners, we have rail, we have grounding components, we have cable clips, endless components, seams. We have different types of roofs: tile roof, metal roof, flat roof. Too many kinds of roof types. So combining with different factors, different types of roofs, different solutions, different items of the mounting system components, we have hundreds of items and SKU. It is very hard to manage in warehouse. It is not so simple from the first think, like for solar panels. If we want to distribute, we can select one or two majority types, the most popular ones in the market. For inverters, we can select 1 to 2 most popular items in the market, and very easy to manage the simpler items. So now Mibet, our company, Mibet Energy, deliver a very valuable all-in-one packing for mounting system, no matter for L-fit system for the tin roof, the tail hook, or the tilt legs for flat roof and the low tilt angle metal roofs. So what is the all-in-one Mibet solar mounting system kit? We can calculate by panels. Like one item, 4 panels kit, we only need to have 2 pieces of rails with 1 box of tin kit, or 1 box of tile kit, or 1 box of tilt kit. So we also, because you know the rail is length, usually standard length is 4.2 meter, and for other components like middle clamp and clamp is small components. So for better warehouse management and retransportation, usually we also can separate the rail to rail, then other components, all items in the same kit. Let's go to next part. For example, this is our 4-panel tile racking system. So that means we include all the components for a 4-panel installation, 2 pieces of rails. Then the technical data, we can achieve the installation for 5 to 45 tilt angle degree of the roof itself tilt installation. And for design standard, we have Australian standard, G standard for Japanese market, British standard, and American standard. Packing, we usually pack in 4-panel kits, around 800 kits for a 20-feet container, around 2,000 kits for a 40-feet container. Okay, we go to next part. So this is the list example for both portrait type for panels installation and landscape type for 4 panels tile kit installation. As you can see, we not only include the basic installation components like rail joiner, and clamp, middle clamp, tail hook. We also include the grounding components and the cable clips to make everything in the same kit, and consider the safety factor, consider the better treatment or better uniform installation for the DC cables. Okay, let's go to next part. So second kit is our most popular kit is the tin L-fit racking system kit to fix on trapezoid type of metal roof. This kind of system is very popular in Australia, Southeast Asia, European countries, and North American countries. Okay, we'll go to next page. So we also have show the example of the tin kits list, components list for 4-panel, 6-panel, 8-panel, 10-panel, and 12 panels. These 5 types of panels quantity are the most universal and most hot selling types of way of combination of solar panels quantity for the tin kits and also for tile kits. Okay, Except the sealable kit, we also have a black color available for our rail joiners and clamps, our feet, all the aluminum components. As we know, more and more solar module frames are using black color now. So when the metal roof's tilt angle is only like a 5 degree or 3 degree, very low tilt. If we only install the tin kit with our feet, the reflecting degree from the angle from the solar module to the light is not so good. Then the power output for the solar module will be affected. So we have another very smart system we named with tilt adjustable racking system, which can achieve 5 to 15 degree installation, 15 to 30 degree installation, and 30 to 60 degrees installation, suitable for most markets like Europe, like USA, like Australia and Southeast Asian countries, African countries, South American countries. Okay. So we also show the example for the list for 4 panel to 12 panels for the list. And as we can see, we will combine, because the tilt system combine 2 pieces of the support structure, one front legs, one back leg support kit. We usually will combine them together as a one pair. This is different packing way comparing with most competitors. Okay, we go to next page. As I mentioned just now, except the basic components to fix the solar modules on the rooftop, like rails, tail hooks, L feet, tilt legs, the middle clamp and the clamp, and rail joiners, we also consider the safety of the workers. The safety. We also consider the safety as a very important factor for the workers. So grounding system is very important. And also the other safety is for the system itself. If we don't include the grounding function with our solar system, as we know the solar system is used into generating electricity. When raining days, when there's the lightning, it is very dangerous. So we should, and most of the regulations in different countries require our solar system to be grounded. So we usually will include the grounding components, the necessary grounding components like grounding lug, grounding clip in the components box. And also the rail joiners are combined with grounding function. So when we install the system, as we know, the DC cable is quite long, usually longer than needed. So if we don't have anything to fix the DC cables, the DC cable will drop in onto the rooftop, which will also arouse some risk of electricity shock. So although the cable clip is a very small component, we still recommend our customers to include them in our kit. This page is showing the standard way for us to packing our kit. Usually all the small components for 4 panels, 6 panels, 8 panels, 10 panels will be packed in one box. For tail hook kit, because the tail hook it is made of stainless steel, quite heavy, so usually one box for one kit. And for tin kit, usually we're packed for one kit in one box, then another 4 small boxes in a outer carton. And the weight is range from 5 to 25 kilogram per box, and 500 kilogram to 1.5 tons per pallet. The package is very easy for man's hand to carry for the box, and for the pallet is can be operated by the standard forklift. So no worry too much about the distributorship for our roof solar mounting system kit, which can be also combined with only one item. We have already avoided the countless counting the numbers, 1 item, 2 items, 3 items, and also we have already considered the operating things at your side. As you can see, most of the standard equipment can operate with the pallets loading into containers and unloading our cargoes outside the containers. So this is a photo we have collected from one of our partners. As you can see, most of the pallets can be put on the shelves very neatly and very easy for the forklift to get out, standard forklift to get out from the shelves. Usually our rail packing will be packed 6 pieces per bundle, 96 bundles per pallet, 576 pieces per pallet. For a 20-feet container, it can load 864 kits for tin and 648 kits for tile, 500 and 0 kits for 06 kit for tilt. So for 40-feet container, the numbers can be a little bit more than double. Okay. Some market information for our roof solar mounting kits. We currently have stable distributors, more than 20 in different countries like Europe, in Spain, in Italy, in Portugal, in Poland, in UK, Germany, and the Netherlands. We also have distributors, very strong distributors in Australia, in Japan, in Southeast Asian countries like Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Vietnam. So our current annual production capacity for the solar roof mounting kits is more than 2 gigawatts. This is one side of our aluminum extrusion factory. We have 3 machining factories to do the cutting, punching, screw holes process, and 1 workshop for pre-assemble and packing. We have 4 semi-automatic assemble lines, 2 manual lines for small components pre-assemble, 6 assemble lines for big components. So as we know, the quality is very important for our cargoes to last 25 years in outdoor installation, the same age as the solar modules. So we have very strict quality control process exactly according to ISO system, and we have the equipment to test our strength, our material during the development and research, before the production, during the production, and after the production, before delivery. Like the middle is the tensile machine to test our strength of the components. So we have the spectrum to test the material. We have the source spray tester to test the anti-corrosion feature of our surface treatment for stainless steel or for anodizing for the aluminum parts. Our aluminum mounting parts, the anodizing thickness averagely 10 micron and suitable for most outdoor use for 25 to 30 years. If the place is quite close to the sea, we can support for the treatment to 15 micron. So our lead time is also a very important factor to assure the better run of the cash flow. Our lead time is quite short, usually 7 to 10 days for 40-feet container kits, about 4 megawatt. And as I mentioned just now, the short lead time ensures the quick turnaround of our partners' stock and cash flow. So that means you don't need to have a very big warehouse. You don't need to have very large volume of cash flow for the mounting system. So second part, I would like to share some typical and new innovative roof solar mounting system solutions we launched this year during SNEC. The non-penetration solution for flat roof. As we know, for sunny days, we enjoy the return from the investment for our solar system. What about rainy days? Rainy days, if we penetrate into our roof, the water may drop in to our houses. What a headache problem. So non-penetration solution is very attractive and a new trend in the market. We can together enjoy the investment of the solar system and no worry, and not at all worrying about the leakage problem for the penetration. Like the photo is showing our second generation of matrix blast system for flat roof. As you can see, it is a kind of modular design. We have a different large sizes of solar modules compatible to 2.3 by 1.5 meters of solar modules. Thickness can be ranged from 30 to 40 millimeter. Some technical details of our roof matrix system. This is one side installation, and the two sides installation suitable for lower latitude area like Singapore and Malaysia. And then second solution, also non-penetration, but non-penetration on metal roof. Metal roof usually used for factories, used for warehouses, using for some shopping malls. So if the metal roof is penetrated, actually to some extent more headache, because usually the roof is big area. So we have a lot of roof clamps suitable for non-penetration solutions, like for clip lock type. We have clip lock from 18 to 700, more than 20 items. So our M-Rack clip lock is patented and unique design. It can save you installation time and save the cost. We make everything, all the solutions, roof solar solutions, trying to make it simpler, easier to management, and to help to have improved the installation to get more and more business. So for rails, we also have different designs available. We have MA rail, we have the T-slot rail, we have the DCH50 rail, we have the, most of these are top and side channel. Then we also have a top bottom channels like the symmetrical rail H39. So except the clip lock roof type, we also have the standing seam clamps, more than 15 items available, both for the small base one and big base one. So more standing seam demonstrating. And also compatible with different kinds of rails, the MA rail, T-slot rail, DCH50 rail, the symmetrical H39 rail, and Pro standard rail. And the trapezoidal metal roof clamps for the mounting system. That means for trapezoidal roof, we have the whole side fixing, one side fixing, and we also have some covers outside to make the waterproof better. So more demonstrating technical parts of our trapezoid metal roof solar system. And also different kinds of rails compatible. So for tile roof, we know the tiles popular in different markets is different. We have a Roman tile, we have flat tile, We have stone tile, we have slate tile, we have different kinds of tiles. So we also design different tile hook, tile brackets to be compatible with different tiles in the market, like most European market, Australia market, and USA market. So the system is for varied shapes and sizes of roof tiles fixed on wood or steel roof beams or battens. So the wind resistance feature also quite good, which can reach to 6 meters per second. So listing different compatible rails and clamps. So the third roof mounting solution I will introduce is our fixed and adjustable triangle roof mounting solution. We both have, if the tilt angle is only for one country or the latitude range is not so large, then we only need to have one fixed angle to save the material. If the latitude range is quite large, like in China from southern to northern, the latitudes are quite different, then we can have the adjustable triangle or tripod to achieve different installation in different cities. We have different types of triangles available for 1 row portrait way, 2 row portrait way, or 1 row landscape or 2 row landscape. So tripod base beam freeze solution, which can save much cost, which is also suitable for flat roof installation and ground, some small to medium scale ground installation. Showing more details, the main material is steel and hot dip galvanized steel. Then the adjustable support kit for the mounting system. The support can adjust from 10 degree, 15 degree, 15 to 30, 30 to 60 degree. Okay, listing the compatible rails. Last roof solar mounting system I would like to introduce today is about our mini rail kit. Mini rail, we have also different height available from H18 millimeter to 50 millimeter. We have mainly 18, 25, 35, 45, and 50 millimeter to achieve different distance from the solar module to the metals. So the lower the height is, the lower the cost is. The higher the cost, the mini rail is, the better the cooling factor for the solar module is. Okay, next part. So we are showing different types of mini rails available. And the mini rail still can fix with the long length rails if you want to fix the system more uniformly. And the outfit and hanger bolt kit, if we don't want to have our solar system directly sitting on the metal roof, we can use the hanger bolt system to higher the height from the rail to the surface of the metal roof. So showing the different types of the hanger bolt and different kinds of rails compatible with our hanger bolt and outfit system. So one more system we named with independent roof clamps. That means we don't need to install this kind of clamps with the rails. We can directly using this trapezoidal metal roof support to fix the solar modules with the middle clamp and the clamp and the clamps. Can save a lot of installation time and cost. We are showing some more details of the independent roof clamps. We have different types available. Fixed at 2 sides, fixed at 1 side, and also some different roof types. Okay. Some technical parameter. It is suitable for pitched roof, and the tilt angle can achieve 0 to 15 degrees. Wind load can resistance 6 meters per second. Snow load 1.6 km per square meter. For applicable solar modules, framed or frameless. Layout, portrait or landscape. And the warranty usually is 10 years. Okay, that's all about our roof solar mounting solutions introduction. Next part, I will bring some main features. Okay, I'm back. So next part, I will introduce our background and history of our company. So we have supplied totally 8 gigawatt of solar mounting system to global market. Our annual production capacity for roof solar mounting system and ground mounting system is more than 2 gigawatt. For floating system this year is more than 300 megawatt, and for the solar trackers we have another 1 gigawatt capacity. We have supplied more than 3,000 project reference. We are ranking top 10 brand for the solar mounting system, and for floating system we are ranking top 3. We have more than 30 certificates, more than 60 patents, domestic and international patents. We have export our cargoes to more than 100 countries and regions. Some main history of our company. Our company is established in the year 2012, and we created the MREC brand in the same year, stepped into the Europe and American market. We have passed the ISO certification in 2013, and we have passed more certificates like TUV, CE, MCS, AS, NCS in 2014, and we have got a lot of nominations in the 2015 and 2016. So in 2017, we have got the Xiamen Technology Small Giant Enterprise from Xiamen City Government, and in 2018, we are rated as top 10 solar PV mounting system brand. In 2019, we are nominated as the growing small and medium-sized enterprise from Xiamen City Government. So in 2020 to 2021, we are targeting to be top 1 roof mounting system brand in Australia market, and also to gaining more and more market share from Southeast Asian countries, from Europe and the American countries, South American countries, Middle East, and African countries. So for our production capacity for the roof solar mounting this year is more than 2 gigawatt. And our floating system production capacity, we are trying to expand from 300 megawatt to 800 megawatt. We are trying to involve in the business of more large solar ground projects like solar tracking system, bifacial mounting system project, and commercial carport. So for our team's capability, we will hire more engineers and more salespeople in our team. And we also have get a lot of different honorary certificates from different third parties. So our patent certificates. So we are showing some more equipment for tester and the inspections. In our global market, our top 3 market is APAC countries like Southeast Asia, Australia, and Europe, and North Africa and South Africa. Then, except these countries, we're also doing good in Japan and China domestic market. So except this, we also have a market in South America, in North America. That's the part I will introduce about our project reference. It's for floating system. We have a 2.5 megawatt in Beijing, 1 megawatt in Shandong province. We have 1.5 megawatt in Thailand. We have 1 megawatt and 1 megawatt in China and Thailand. 1.5 megawatt in Zhejiang province. A 10 megawatt combined with 6 sites in Thailand. So 58 megawatt in China and 20 megawatt in China. The ground mounting system, a 5 megawatt in Cambodia. A 6 megawatt in Waiala, South Australia. Southern Vietnam, 51 megawatt and 60 megawatt. And in Qinghai, China, another 51 megawatt. In Uruguay, we have combined 5 megawatt. So in Hunan province, we have 20 megawatt for the single pile, concrete pile system on the lake. Then 50 megawatt in Qinghai with concrete foundation. The carport system in Fujian province. 30 megawatt in Japan. 30 megawatt in Jiangpu. And in Chang'an Hospital, 3.8 megawatt for carport. Steel carport 1 megawatt also in Chang'an. 20 megawatt in Inner Mongolia. The last part for roof mounting system, a 12 megawatt in Hunan province, a 4 megawatt in Thailand. Philippines, we have a 1.87 megawatt. Vietnam shopping mall, 500 kilowatt and 2 megawatt. Central Vietnam factory, 1.08 megawatt. Philippines, we have combined different projects from 1.1, 1.6 to 5.2 megawatt. So Spain, we have combined 25 megawatt projects in 2019. Shandong, we have 30 megawatt in a factory area. And Singapore, we have 35 megawatt installed from the year 2015 to 2019. And Dubai, we have a 1.02 megawatt on flat rooftop. And Malaysia, in the Kuala Lumpur airport, we have 5.6 megawatt. Okay, that's all about our company's background and our project reference. If you want to know more details about our company, you want to know more about our roof mounting system, remember to contact us via email or any messages from Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Bilibili. Our colleagues will send to you very soon. So now we are back to our virtual exhibition hall. Just now we have some software problem. Now I hope everything is better. We are going inside in our virtual stand. This year we have a display. I'm trying to zoom bigger so that you can see. we have displaced a TPO system suitable for softer type of rooftop. Then we have adjustable tripod. We have more. We have a symmetrical roof mounting system, Matrix 1. We have the tile hook system for residential roofs. Then we have the trapezoidal metal roof support. So I'm trying to show more details. We are waiting the software to let us see the model. I will turn around. Okay, so hope it is clear now. This system is combined with some trapezoid roof clamps with the L-fit or MA rail and the clamp and the middle clamps. So as we can see, we combined the trapezoid roof clamps with the L-fit to form better height from the solar module to the metal roof surface, which can guarantee better cooling factor for the solar modules, especially in the summer days. Then our tile hook. Okay, I'm trying to show details so that you can see that. Okay, as we can see from the bottom of the model, the tail hook will be fixed on the beams with 3 pieces of wood screw or self-tapping screws. And then the tail hook will be fixed with rail. On top of the rail, we put the solar modules, middle clamps, and clamps to fix them. Okay, we'll go to next product, our roof matrix 1 for flat roof. Okay, this is a symmetrical design. It's the west system. We put the ballast under the solar modules. This is modular design, and we have the base rails and connectors to make the installation simpler and easier. So luster roof mounting solution is the adjustable tripod. As we can see, we have designed 2 tubes at the back side of the support frame to make it adjustable to achieve different tilt angles for different installations under different latitudes. Okay, so that's all about the virtual stand introduction. Now, let's welcome back Roger to show more parts.
Wow, thank you, Michelle. It is great to see you again, particularly
Thanks.
after you have a busy schedule in SNEC. And first of all, I would like to ask you, because today is the last day of the SNEC.
Yes.
So could you give us some summaries about what you have seen over the past 3 days?
Wow, okay, this is a very big question for me. I'm trying to explain as good as I can. As we can see, this year, because of the border restrictions, we are not able to have overseas visitors in SNEC. Still, most of the main players in the market, the top 10 solar modules, most of the tier 1 solar modules, most of the big inverter factories, the big mounting structure companies, they continue their stand at SNEC, and we receive a lot of domestic visitors. Most of the factories launched their latest products, like for solar modules, most top 10 solar module brands. They launched the 600 or more than 600 watt power output solar modules. Several module factories, they launched the solar modules for BIPV, and for inverters, they also launched higher string inverters, higher output string inverters. And for structure company, most of the structure company, we launched our latest generation of solar trackers suitable for large-scale projects. Like this is our sample for solar trackers.
Okay, thank you for this information. I guess this will be very useful for those who have not been able to come to the show this year. And then actually during your sharing, we also collect some questions from the viewers, and we would like to have your answers for that.
Okay, I hope they will not be too hard for me to answer.
Okay, I will try to make it simple. And this question number one, this is from Simon, and he says, because just now you introduced about your solar kit solution.
Yes.
And it looks very attractive to me. And so could you give us more details about that? Is it possible to install those kit solution on the flat roof, tin roof, and the tile roof?
Yes, this is a very detailed question. We have different roof solar mounting systems suitable for different roof types, like for tile roof, for tin roof, for flat roof. So all our solutions, all our roof mounting solutions could be designed with modular design, like for 4 panels, 6 panels, 8 panels, 10 panels. So no worry about that. All our solar mounting system can be formed as kit.
Okay, and Simon, I hope this will address your concern. And the question number 2, so this is from Sergio, and he's asking, just now you mentioned about your new generation of the ballast system. So what is the difference between your new generation and the previous generation?
Okay, this is a very smart question. Usually when we have two similar description of product, we are asking why you are updating the product. For the main difference of our updated Matrix 1 ballast system is to compatible with bigger and new launched solar modules, like to 2.3 meters, 1.2 wide. As we know, before this year, most of the solar modules available in the market, the length is within 2 meters. So our previous design of the Matrix 1 is only suitable for length less than 2 meters. That's why we update to new Matrix 1.
Okay, so Sergio, if you have a long solar module with the bigger dimension, you can also come to us. We can supply both solution for that. And the question number 3, it's from one of the audience also, and he is asking, what is the design capability and the lead time of Mibet Energy?
Okay, this is a very good question. As we know, when we trying to get some overseas cooperation, the supply time, the lead time is very important for us to get everything run correctly. Our lead time is not so long. For standard products, it's 1 to 2 weeks. For customized solutions, usually will be 3 to 4 weeks.
Okay, so if you have any update about this, then you can come to us. We can supply as soon as possible. And one more question. Okay. It's from the Warren, and he's asking, so if you have a video or maybe some installation guide for the installation company to be carried out during the installation.
Okay, yes. As a distributor or as a EPC company, when we bring the solar mounting system to our market or to our warehouse, we need to let the workers, that the installer or installation companies, to quickly understand how to install. So don't worry, we have most of the solutions with ready installation manuals available and ready installation videos. Contact our sales representatives. They will send to you very soon.
Okay, so Warren, you can contact us after the show. We will give you the best solution. And the last question, it is from Novak, and he is asking about the ability of Mibet Energy. What is the production capability, the quality control, pre-sales and after-sales of the company? Could you give us more details about this?
Okay, great question. As we know, before this year, during SNEC period, we are very busy receiving many visitors in our factory before SNEC or after SNEC. Most of our partners, they want to see real things, want to see our factories, how they are operated, how the products are produced, and how the quality is controlled. So this year, it is pity that we cannot receive so many partners from overseas to our factories, but still we have new way to show you. Let's go to a short online tour to our factories and offices. Let's go.
Let's go.
Now I am at the front of our factory. I'm at the gate area. Let's go around. So we are at the gate of our Mibet Energy. Let's go inside. So we are at the reception area. We have 2 TV screens showing the projects we installed around Xiamen, around Fujian area. The live capacity generating from the solar system. So let's go further. Office area. I will play a video to show the whole view of our offices. So our domestic and international sales team. We have more than 50 sales in our sales team to support any pre-sales and after-sales questions. Then our technical team, we have around 30 engineers to support any technical demand for solution design for after-sales technical support. Our technical director All right, so then I will show you to our factories. We have 3 machining factories, as I mentioned just now. This is the first machining factory, the first machining workshop. I show you around. It's mainly doing the cutting, punching, and the screw lines here. I will play the video to show more details. So punching machine, the punching machine, and the cutting machine. All right. Then we go to next workshop, workshop 2. So now we are inside the workshop 2. We have different options of the mold to produce different components, different connectors, different end clamp, middle clamps, and cutting different sizes of the components. I will also play another video to show the whole view of this factory. So we have cover outside the cutting machine to be more safe. The cutting machine. Sorry. Okay, I replay. The cutting machine. The punching machine, we have around tank punching machine in this factory, the punching machine. I think we have some automatic machines we haven't seen. Let's wait and see. We have some automatic machine producing the middle clamp and the tilt-in nuts. So after the punching machine, we will see that machine. This is punching machine. Oh, here they are. We have two automatic machines producing the middle clamp and the tilt-in nuts, which can work 24 hours to support better capacity than manual machines. Okay, let's go to next factory, our solder workshop for machining. This solder workshop for machining, as we can see, the area is larger, and usually we will produce bigger components here. I also play another video to show more details. So we have more than 20 punching machines in this factory, the punching. And we have 5 cutting machines in this factory. Okay, next part, we are in our pre-assemble factory. We have 4 semi-automatic assembly lines for the smaller components. Let's show the video. The semi-automatic lines. So except the semi-automatic lines, we also have the manual lines to pre-assemble the small components. We have 2 lines. Then we have 6 lines to pre-assemble the big components, like the support structure for the ground mounting system. Okay, pre-assembling the post and beams together. Then showing our standard packing way. Usually our big components will be put on the pallets, but small components will be put in the cartons. And all the pallets can be operated with standard forklift. So as we know, quality control is very important for long-term existing in the market. We have a spectrum to test the composition of the material, like stainless steel, and we have the salt spray test machine to test the anti-corrosion surface treatment for the stainless steel, for the anodizing of aluminum, for hot dip galvanizing for steel, etc. So now we are in the floater factory. I show you around. We have machines to produce the big floater and walkway floaters and the connectors. This is the machine testing, inspecting the thickness of the floaters. So we are in the warehouse of the floaters. I play a video to show more details. This size of stock can support around 1 megawatt of floating project installation. Let's go to next part, our aluminum extrusion factory. So we have more than 20 extrusion lines to support enough capacity of the raw material. The automatic line to show how to have the surface of the aluminum to be anodized. Okay, let's go to next part. Our packaging workshop for the rails. Usually our rails will be packed 6 pieces or 8 pieces per bundle, easy for the workers to carry on site. Then we also will be put the bundles on the rails around 1.2 tons to 1.5 tons per pallet. Very easy for the standard forklift to operate. So the stock weighting, the aging for the rails and the aluminum material. Usually the aluminum extrusion profiles will be put in the equipment to do aging for 4 to 8 hours to make the hardness better. So I show the video to have some more details. The profiles will be put on the steel structure, then put into the equipment to have 4 to 8 hours for aging. Okay, now we are at the outdoor showroom. We display our ground mounting solutions and floating samples here. We have couple system, we have a floating system, our G4S, our flat single axis tracking system, the tilt single axis tracking system. Then last one is our roof mounting system showroom. We have most of our roof solar mounting components in this showroom. I will show you around and play another video for more details. Our solar system theory. Then the metal roof, clip lock, standing seam, and trapezoid. The different components, tail hook, triangle, okay, different rails. Okay guys, so thank you for watching our live show during SNEC. Wish we can see you very soon in next year. Now let's welcome back Roger.
Thank you, Michelle. It's been quite a busy time for you in the SNEC, and we thank you for the time spent with us to do the sharing. And thank you, dear customers, for watching our show. We hope you can have a better understanding about our solar mounting structure, and we hope in return it can benefit your solar business. We already have these 2 online shows recorded in case you need to have a better understanding about our products. You can continue to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Bilibili. You can get updated information about our products. And that's it for this year's SNEC online live show. We hope to see you soon next year. Bye for now.